Hi everybody, I'm Zachary from Fun King 3D. It's time to unbox the Maker Box. This is a plastic. It's white. It's a weird type of white. I don't know what it does.
That's last month's Maker Box.
Orange. A weird type of green.
How about we all get together and do
The
this
black.
month's?
There we go. Here's orange, here's something, and here's something, and here's something.
All right, so now that we're all here and we have this month's Maker Box, we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside.
Don't cut me.
I'm going to cut you. Why do you always think I'm going to cut you?
Because the knife is going in my direction. Come on.
You always just want that. Airheads. All right, so Gekko-Tek Group Buy with massive savings. Try a small print on the included Gekko-Tek Easy Stick Hot Sample that came in your box this month. It works great with nylon 230. Then if you want more, you can get a huge savings. That's awesome. And we've actually tried Gekko-Tek and it does work very well. And then we got some coupon codes there. 15% off on 3D Fuel. Oh, look at that cute little sheet of Gekko-Tek.
I can fit on the Fab.
Yeah, I can put it on the Fab Mini. Oh, it's cute.
That's more of a collectible, but whatever.
Easy. Well, you can stick it in the middle of your bed and then try it, and then you'll know if you like it. So, Gekko-Tek instructions. And turn your printer into a full color machine. Oh, that's the Crane Quad. So that's awesome. All right, so ooh,
We did that.
You want to do the first one?
Yeah.
All right, you can do the first one.
Okay. This is marble colored PLA. Ooh, I feel like we've gotten this before, like a while back.
No, we had a marble. We had
a marble.
We had zero marble.
Oh yeah.
But it was what I tried to print the base of the poop statue with, but I ran out. So, all right, read.
The hot end temperature is 190 to 210. The bed temperature is 0 to 60. Speed 20 to 80. Fan, yes, PLA. It's PLA based material. Other, no special consideration. Print unique looking objects with the marble colored PLA. It is white PLA with black PLA flecks mixed in. A bit more subtle.
Subtle.
Whatever. This is
subtle.
Subtle. But there's a B.
I realize there's a B in there, but subtle, like meaning like it's not overly exaggerated. It's subtle.
Oh, okay. Then some other marble PLA on the market. No actual marble in this filament. The filament is made for printed solid, but does not carry any manufacturer's brand. It's printed solid filament.
It's printed solid's in-house brand.
They just had to throw one in.
Let's see if we can get a better focus on that for sure.
Got a sticker. Got a sticker.
Look at that. There you go. So that's marble colored PLA from Printed Solid, and it is a neat looking filament. When you first look at it, it looks just gray, and then you can actually like look closer. You can see the 3D Fuel. Yeah.
A sticker.
All right, you can read this one too.
No, I'm good.
I get this one.
No.
I get this one.
Okay. Well, this one's too much.
Well, that's fine, but This is the bonus sample of PLA.
Oh, okay.
And with this sample comes this sticker right here,
What is that
and
sticker?
it doesn't say anything. Kind of looks like an R, but it also kind of looks like a rhino.
Oh.
So this is the PLA bonus sample, and it's purple, and I actually have a whole roll of that right there on the AM8, and it's a great purple. But this is from Rhino 3D from RhinoReel.com, and which is a really cool monthly subscription service. If you haven't checked that out, do so. But this one is the extra 50%, so it's a good size roll.
And
Rhino Reel is a new filament membership service started by co-founders of MakerBox. Their focus is on providing full spools of filament without a spool. It comes as a refill. This is part of the master spool movement. Users will print their own spool that they can use with the refills. So that's info as far as what RhinoReel.com, Rhino 3D is. But let me tell you about the filament itself. I print this stuff pretty much at the same temperatures as all my PLA, somewhere between 210 and 215. And this stuff prints fantastically well. It bonds well. It's just a very good, smooth running filament. So if you don't get the MakerBox, shame on you, and you haven't had a chance to try Rhino Reel's filament, shame on you, hop over to rhinoreel.com and check them out, because that is a really great filament.
okay, now you have to read that one.
All right, well,
and
you read
I
that
get to
one
read
then.
this one. So this is 230 nylon. The hot-end temperature is 228 to 235. The bed temperature is room temperature. The speed is not listed.
But being the nylon, you want to print slow.
Yeah. It does not require a fan. Print on glue stick or the enclosed Gecko-Tech sample. A nylon blend that prints at low temperatures. This nylon does not require a heated bed or all metal hot end.
That's awesome. That's extremely rare for a nylon to print at a lower temperature and to not require a heated bed.
We've included a special sample of Gecko-Tech as stick this
Easy
month
stick.
that
Not as thick.
one that you can tape on your build plate for easy nylon adhesion. This filament should be printable on all printers. Tallman 3D.
So
Sorry.
nylon, you see that it says to print on glue stick or the Gecko-Tech.
Yes, you have to print on a glue stick.
No, on glue stick, not on a glue stick. Why do you suppose that is? Because nylon will bind itself to your print bed and you will never get it off.
Oh, well, that's not
So the
good.
glue stick creates kind of a temporary layer between your print bed and the nylon, but Gecko-Tech will do the same thing. So
this is a lot of filament.
well, yeah, it's the bonus
It's
roll.
the bonus.
So I think I might send that on to somebody else, being that we have a whole roll of that.
Oh, wait. Oh, you're talking about the purple. I thought you were talking about
No, not the
nylon.
nylon, the purple.
Oh,
So we might figure out a way. To give that away. All right, so this is Entwined V2 Hemp PLA. This has got a hot end temperature of 180 to 210 degrees, a bed temperature of room to 60. No fan speed listed, but it's a PLA, so I would imagine, you know, your typical PLA fan settings will be fine. This may wear brass nozzle. Hardened steel is advised. And I have to put my glasses on. Whew. Those guys over at Printed Solid are really filling these stickers up now. Now updated with a new improved formulation, V2. Reduced particle size of the hemp material and increased the percentage. This will enable printing in a much wider variety of 3D printers. If you had a tricky time printing with the Entwined in the past, the new formulation is much better. Plus, you can now anneal it after printing for increased heat resistance. 3D print with hemp filament. Entwined is a 3D printed filament produced from USA grown and processed industrial hemp crop requires no herbicides, no pesticides, and grow more densely than corn. Entwined hemp filament uses no dyes, allowing it to maintain a true natural brown. There's a large amount of visible biofill, something you don't get with standard PLA. Oh, we didn't show a close-up of this label. That makes me feel like a jerk. This this label looks like it took a little heat.
I thought that was just the point.
Well, they're
they meant to do that.
They're thermal labels. So, and then this is 3D Fuels Entwined, and it's a unique brown. It's a little lighter than chocolate, I guess, like coffee and cream. So, but that'll be fun, and of course, sadly, that's the end of the box. If you're watching your brother, you're not supposed to be doing that.
No, you said it was a unique brown.
A unique brown? That's what makes you... Well, it's not turd brown. I would definitely not... I mean, if your feces is coming out in this, you should probably see a doctor. So, I am excited about this Rhino Reel filament being in here. But I do believe that we're going to figure out a way to give this away because I have a whole spool of it right there, and that's actually on the Slant 3D spool that you can download, or you can use the master spool for their products. So, but we're gonna think about that. So keep watching. Maybe next month's box will announce how we plan to give that away. I can't do it this month because I didn't know what was in the box, so I didn't know it was there.
What's in the box?
Had it been any other color, I would have probably kept it. But and then again, you got this cool piece of Gecko Tech. If you haven't tried Gecko Tech sheets, definitely give that. Don't bend it. Give that a run. We had a sheet on the Robo for a while, which was doing really well. The problem is the Robo uses the nozzle to level the bed, and it burned a hole through the print surface through the sheet. So I had to take it off. So, but we'll get another one and try it again. So sadly, that brings us to the close of this month's Maker Box. That would be August's box, even though it's now September. Today's the 1st of September. But that's August's box. And we're always excited to have Maker Box. We enjoy it thoroughly. If you don't yet get Maker Box, there is a link in the description for you to get one. There's also a coupon code down there for you to get a little savings off of that. Plus, the coupon codes that you get in each box, actually, if you use those coupons to their fullest, will pay back the price of the box. It's a great way to get a little sample of filaments so that you can try them without having to buy an entire roll. And it's just fun. The surprise is fun. So if you've been watching MakerBox unboxing videos, continue to tune into ours. Watch the back ones if you haven't already seen it. We always have a Zach involved. He's worth watching just for that. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. That thumbs up is always appreciated as well. We'll have videos before that, but until next month's MakerBox, print on.